Here we go, we're finally in the Loch Ness Center to discover the truth. So we're waiting for the line. So this is the Dramatic Hotel. Oh my god, 1933. This is where they found her. Okay. Ready, 3, 2. Wow, this is the Nessie. How it should be.
Vast chasm, deep, dark, and cold, and we have unfinished business there. Maybe it was also social. He wasn't. And the more we contribute, the more we can see our lives.
Is it much better? That's so cool. Oh wow. I have a feeling we will see the Loch Ness in this TV. The monster.
Secrets from the outside world. It's easy to imagine with this awe-inspiring landscape around you that human feet have never trod here. That this is a truly wild place. But of course,
Yeah, we were here
people
yesterday.
have been here a long time. This very building is not only the official home of the Loch Ness project, but also, in 1933, was at the epicenter of the Loch Ness phenomenon. This village, Drumnadrochit, is over 200 years old, and nearby Castle Urquhart has stood watch in one shape or another for over 1400 years. Human and seen. But the age of the dinosaurs came to an end. Their world shattered 65 million years ago.
Ah, so scary. Why is it a little snow? Oh.
Which just means we don't really know when something happened. So let's say about 10,000 years ago, the Ice Age thawed and people settled in Scotland's Great Glen. Around their campfires, human beings like us tried to make sense of the world their very own Loch Ness monster, Nessie. Oh, there are those who'll tell you that Nessie is a Scandinavian, a memory of the prow of a Viking longship coming out the mists. And who's to say they're wrong? Then again, who's to say they're wrong?
Oh, wow. This is so cute.
Oh, there. Hello there. Oh, usually quite quiet this time of day. Well, in you come. Welcome, welcome. There's plenty on for everyone.
It was like an eel. Yeah, an eel. Like a huge
Come
eel.
on now, eels don't go that big. No, I've seen it myself now. It has a definite neck. With 6 feet of neck.
Welcome to the birth of a modern legend. A monster that looks like a piece. The surgeon's photo.
Oh, I could Stuart up at the forestry. He says he saw those humps out on the loch too.
And don't forget Peter McNabb's picture.
Mr. Dinsdale.
Loch Ness is a hidden world of its own. If it's wildlife you want, the loch has plenty. Salmon, eels, otters, even the odd adventurous seal. If any of these creatures played a swim, as we said, that's a lot of water.
We did get 3D contacts, and we're still not quite sure about them.
You said they were very sharp and small and real.
I click Eilean.
And if, imagine the waves are about this high, coming from my right across to my left, and something shot through against those waves like a torpedo going through the water.
Okay, vote now.
Oh my god.
10 seconds to go, come on! And here we are. Step away from the buttons, please. The votes are in. And...
Well, it looks like we have a group of believers with us.
some will take more convincing than others. They even nail it. Even if there isn't anything out there, there ought to be. Regardless of the result, as you leave the Loch Ness Centre today, you are now part of the Loch Ness quest. So keep looking.
Thanks for stopping by. Safe travels home and hopefully see you soon. Tatty bye.
Here we are. So, in the water here, by the castle, with the silkies, in the mission.
Oh my god, look. Oh my god. I see Nessie.
Because we all say what we want at the end, it can be done.
Can I get you anything else to do?
Sorry?
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you, yeah.
Thank you. So you're £5 altogether.
Yes.
Nessie, gift saft. Eilean, Donan Castle. Wow, hello. Wow. Look at all this boys.
Thank you. Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We eat after. Wow. You have to buy a ticket. You have to pay to get in the castle. We don't have time, so we decide not to, and we're gonna take picture from far away, like this. Oh wow, that's fun. 3D. 3D. Okay, we have snack. We're ready to go.
Plus tard, ça marche pas.
Donan Hotel, whatever is it is. Our room number 226 in case we lost this paper.
Did you give our plate number? Our plate?
Yeah.
You had it?
Very cool. Oh, that little cute goat. So we can see a little bit of Storr from far away. There you go. You can see a little bit pointy thing coming out. See. There it is. And where we're gonna go to. There it is. Very good. Hey. This is one of the monsters in Scotland. Kind of like Scotland buffalo. Hey. Yes, he is. I want to see her face though. Oh my god. I'm gonna touch a horn. Hopefully we don't have to walk that far. I don't want to walk all the way up there. I will give it only like 15 minutes. 15-minute walk. This is 1 hour walk until you see that horn. Let's see if we're gonna make it or not. Look at us, we are wet. Wet. We are wet. So we stop halfway, actually 1/3 or 1/4 because we cannot make it. It's all wet. So we do it next time. Ooh, all wet. I don't see it. Okay, my joint get all wet because this stupid rain. It stopped. Okay, now it stopped. And when we get out, it's raining.
You have to wait more.
I cannot wait. Yeah, the waterfall right there. I feel so bad for the people who doesn't have a joint because you can see it. You have to use a joint to fly out to see the waterfall right there. You know? You get what I mean? But a beautiful view though. Look at that car. Interesting. Here's the courtyard. Claymore restaurant. One of the best in this area. Claymore, wow.
That's a big lobster there.
I saw. Wow, what is this for?
Spoons for river.
I set up stuff on the teaspoon. Okay, we have a better seat next to the window. More light. Got later. The middle, awesome. We share.
Side plates at all, or?
Yeah, please. It's amazing. Hồng ơi Hồng, Hồng đang ở đâu? Nhiều có sò, có thịt bò, có cá chi bá đã không? Có cảnh đẹp nữa nè. Wow. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.